Not with Brittany and Eric.
Premiered 2020. The Daily Chill.
Thanks a million.
Thanks a million.
Gone mental with Lior.
Premiered 2020.
You ain't got these.
You ain't got these. Cyrus vs. Yes. Cyrus, Design and Conquer.
Many Sides of Jane.
Premiered 2019. Yummy Mummies. Marvel's Hero Project.
The Strongest Man in History.
Premiered 2019.
Meet the Frasers.
Meet the Frasers.
Kings of Pain.
Premiered 2019.
Ainori Love Wagon, African Journey.
Premiered January 30, 2020.
Ghost Brothers, Haunted Houseguests.
Premiered 2019. More Ghost Brothers, Haunted Houseguests. 22 of 43. The best guilty pleasure TV shows of the last few years. 35 of 46. The best paranormal reality shows. 154 of 195. The best reality shows currently on TV. Windy City Rehab.
Lindsay Lohan's Beach Club.
Premiered 2019. Terrace House, Tokyo 2019-2020.
Haunted.
Premiered 2019.
The Grand Hustle.
The Grand Hustle.
Trailers by Fandango.
Trailers by Fandango.
The Sauce.
The Sauce. Fastest Car. Miz Mrs.
The Hills, New Beginnings.
The Hills, New Beginnings.
Black Ink Crew, Compton.
Black Ink Crew, Compton.
The Proposal.
Premiered 2018. Trigger Warning with Killer Mike.
Smiley Face Killers, The Hunt for Justice.
Premiered 2019.
The World's Best.
Premiered 2019.
Life of Kylie.
Premiered 2017.
Mythbusters Jr.
Premiered 2019.
Revenge Body with Khlo Kardashian.
Premiered 2017 More Revenge Body with Khlo Kardashian 156 of 195 The Dumbest Reality Shows of All Time 271 of 421 The Best Reality TV Shows Ever 4 of 14 The Best Kardashian-Jenner Shows Ranked MTV Floribama Shore
Ultimate Beastmaster.
Premiered 2017
World of Dance.
Premiered 2017 More World of Dance 5 of 37 The Best Dance TV Shows 63 of 195 The Best Reality Shows Currently on TV 14 of 112 The Best Reality TV Shows in 2020 The Titan Games
Mental Samurai.
Premiered 2019
Making the Cut.
Premiered 2020
Next in Fashion.
Premiered 2020 X on the Beach. Relative Success with Tabatha.
The Bachelor Winter Games.
Premiered 2018
Celebrity Undercover Boss.
Celebrity Undercover Boss. Temple Popper.
Gordon Ramsay's 24 Hours to Hell and Back.
Premiered 2018
The Masked Singer.
The Masked Singer.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.